channel. Today we're going to be making some French bread with my bread maker. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can be notified when my next video comes out. Alright, let's go. Alright, so before we begin, please make sure that you have all the ingredients that you need to make some French bread. All you need is some water and some oil, some flour, some sugar. I am using healthy natural sugar called Sugar in the Raw. I will link in the description box below. I'm also using some Mediterranean sea salt and 2 eggs and also measuring cups. So yeah, let's go. Oh, one important ingredient, active yeast. Alright guys, let's begin. Alright, so step 1, we're going to be mixing all of our wet ingredients together. So what we're going to start off with is water. We need 320 milligrams of water, which I'm going to pour in this cup right here. And then you pour it into the baking pan for the bread maker. This is about 320 milligrams. And then you need 2 spoons of oil. I use olive oil. Make sure that you have the correct amount, because if you use too much or too little, the bread's gonna definitely taste funny. So 2 spoons of oil. Next, you're gonna need the eggs. So you need 2 eggs. You crack them into the bread maker and you pour it in. Make sure you don't get any of the shells in there, because that'll just be disgusting. Alright, so we got our eggs, we got our water, we got our oil. Let's move on to our dry ingredients. Alright, so now that we have all of our wet ingredients into the bread pan, now we're going to do our dry ingredients. So let's start off with the flour. We need 3½ cups of flour. So that means if you have a Betty Crocker flouring measuring cup, you need 3 of these and 1/2 cup. So let's pour it in. You want to make sure that you fill up your cup, because if you don't have enough in there, it's not going to be enough. So you want to make sure it's completely filled to the top to get that 1 full cup. So this is 1 cup. It's a big cup. You need another cup. Make sure it's all filled up. Get a really big scoop in there. So this is your 2nd cup. And then 1 more big fill cup to make it 3. One more. And then we have our 1/2 cup. Make sure the 1/2 cup is filled with as well. Make sure it's nice and packed. So we got our flour. Now we need 2 scoops of salt. You want to get 2 scoops of the salt. Sometimes the baking does come with it, so you want to get 2 scoops of salt. 1. And 2. And then make sure you get 2 scoops of the sugar. Again, I'm using Sugar in the Raw. 1 and 2. Alright, so now that you have your sugar, you have your salt, the last and most important ingredients you need is your active yeast. So I use this active yeast, this brand. You have to use the whole packet. You just open it up and pour all of the active yeast in there. And there you have it, guys. That's all the ingredients that you need to make bread. So you're gonna pour all this together, mix it together, and put it into your bread maker, and the bread maker is gonna make you a delicious French bread. All right, so now that you have all your dry ingredients into the bread pan, depending on your type of bread maker that you use, again, I will link my bread maker into the description box. You make sure that you look into the settings and you set your bread maker. I have mine set already for French bread. So all I have to do is put the pan into the bread maker like so. And then I lock it to twist it in, and the bread pan is in the bread maker. So I close the lid and I press start. And in about 4 hours, we're gonna have some delicious, yummy, tasty French bread. All right, well, there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please like, share, and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Also, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified of when my next video comes out. I cannot wait to taste this delicious bread, you guys. All right, thank you guys. Bye.